In this video, we are going to see how we can embed the PDF document directly in the email body of Gmail. So for example, we have this PDF document like a resume or so on, and we want to attach this directly in the email body instead of the attachment. Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just go to the Google search and write here PDF to JPEG, and we will open this one, ilovepdf.com. One is free. So click on that, select the PDF file, select the PDF file here, convert to JPEG, and you can download it directly. It will be downloaded right away. And now we can go in the email. Let me just zoom it to full screen. And here what we will do in the email body, just put the cursor sign in here, and instead of attachments or inserting a link or something else, you will click on insert a photo directly. From here, we will click on upload, browse the file. Here's our file, and there you go. After that, you can increase or decrease the size according to your convenience. And after that, you can just mention your subject and recipient, and you are good to go. You are good to send this PDF document embedded directly in the email body. So there's no way you can directly convert or attach a PDF document here. You need to convert into photos first, because we have the option to insert the photos only here. But that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.